have for breakfast. So we got our OJ.
OJ.
And oats, good old oats, and then eggs and bread. So that's our breakfast. Alright, let's eat up.
Tired.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Just finishing up oats and orange juice. This is our humble road. Beds here. This is our view. Best campsite ever. Oh my god, you look like John Wick right now.
Really?
The hair.
So what are we doing now?
We are getting ready to pack, I guess.
Yeah.
We've just finished breakfast. I'm having tea, and yeah, after this we're gonna pack up, head to our next destination, Lennox Head.
Lennox Head. Woo. Yeah. Look, everything's neat and tidy.
It's so hard to leave this campsite though.
Yeah, it is.
Because it's really nice.
It's really nice.
We've got like a beach view right here. Yeah, it's kind of nice sleeping to the sound of the waves crashing yesterday. And yeah.
Hey guys, so we just left Borkum campgrounds. We're really good. I would say I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5. The only reason why it's not a 5 is because of all the bugs. And I think I got bitten by a ball ant, which is not fun.
Yeah, the whole night yesterday there were mosquitoes that got into our rooftop tent, so
Yeah.
we were just trying to kill everyone that we could find.
Yeah.
But it was already feasting on us because we had a lot of like mosquito bites all over our legs and even on my face.
Yeah, so I reckon invest in some kind of natural mosquito repellent. Sprays are alright, but the thing is they stink. I'd suggest getting the coils. So while you're eating, you could light one of them up. Yeah, and I guess I'm gonna be looking for other ways to repel mosquitoes from the tent, because that's just another thing we have to figure out, because it does make it uncomfortable. But yeah, overall it was actually pretty good. We're hoping to stay there again on our trip back to Sydney. And yeah, now we're on our way to Lennox Head, which is quite close to Byron, so we thought maybe we'll try to see if we can get this rig onto the beach, and hopefully Bianca can drive this thing while I follow with my FPV. So we'll see how that goes.
The weather is turning up. We're in Lennox Head.
Yes.
Just looking for the kiosk where we have to get our beach permit.
Yep.
And then we should be
good to go.
The skies are clearing up for us. We are here. This is it, Lennox Head, 7 Mile Beach. We're about to go in.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Air down to 20. So hopefully that's all we need.
How's the sand?
Oh, it's actually alright. It's not bad.
It's not as soft as the one in
No. Look at this. Woo!
Oh wow! Look at that! This is a big beach.
This is amazing. So, do you want to drive?
Now?
And I follow? Yeah.
Okay. Getting the drone ready.
Yep. Getting the little puppy ready.
Behind the scenes is a lot of wires.
Yeah, a lot of wires.
I will be the driver today. Clouds have cleared up. It's no longer gloomy.
Alright.
Oh wait, I forgot to turn it off.
Yeah, turn the
LOL.
thing on. Alright. It is Bianca's beach driving.
It's quite fun.
That's all good. Alright, let's go! Woo! Look at that.
The only time I like driving.
Yeah, is on the sand. Classic fold driver, eh? Yeah.
Weather turned up for us. Setting up the dronies.
Yep. What should we name this thing?
I'm not sure. Let's go for Elmer.
Elmer? Why
Just
Elmer?
No, that was just the first thing that came into my head.
That is so random.
Dear old Elmer.
Quick.
All that filming got us really hungry.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have a quick late lunch. It's already almost 4.
Should I just mix the whole thing?
Yeah, just mix it.
Just mix it? It's easier.
Yeah. And these pre-packed meals are a lifesaver.
Yeah.
Especially if we're in a hurry. Cooking by the beach. Exciting. It's 5:20. We're heading out of 7 Mile Beach.
Yeah.
On our way to our next campsite.
Yeah, so we're gonna air up, and then after that, on our way to the next campsite.
And then we'll grab some dinner at Byron Bay.
Yep.
We have a favorite falafel place there. So
It is the best. Probably the best falafels I've tasted.
same, yeah. It's really fresh ingredients. So really excited. Yeah. Are you talking about the vegan?
Yeah, the
chocolate
vegan
cake?
chocolate.
Yeah, there's this vegan place with like really amazing chocolate cake. I swear, I think it's better than normal chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Byron Bay, Byron Bay.
Hey guys! We just finished off at 7 Mile Beach and now we're heading over to Byron! Woo! Woo, woo. Yep, and look at that! Absolutely perfect weather. Beautiful. So we're gonna get some food to eat before we turn in for the night. And I'm actually pretty excited about the campgrounds because we paid like $30 a night, which is cheap, but for a campsite, it's quite expensive. But I heard it's really good, and the cool thing about it, it's less than 10 minutes away from Byron, from the heart of Byron, so that's gonna be good for tomorrow. Yeah. All right, let's go.